Did you know the average office lunch can pack over 1,200 calories, mostly from hidden sugars, fats, and refined carbs? Today, we're fixing that with simple, delicious lunchbox swaps that help you lose weight and love your meals. It's easy to grab something quick, but those choices often leave us sluggish and sabotage our health goals. I'll show you my top healthy lunchbox swaps, flavor-packed, filling, and way better than the usual options. Eating healthy shouldn't feel like a punishment. It should be exciting, colorful, and something you look forward to. We'll make your lunchbox the envy of the office, delicious, energizing, and satisfying. With these simple swaps, you'll feel in control of your health journey. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about a simple swap that can totally transform your lunch routine. Switching out heavy flour tortillas for crisp, refreshing lettuce wraps. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference. Butter lettuce, romaine, or iceberg leaves are all fantastic choices. Their natural shape makes them perfect low-calorie boats for your favorite fillings, and they add a fresh crunch to every bite. Did you know a large tortilla can pack in 200-300 calories? Meanwhile, a lettuce leaf has about 5. That's a massive calorie save, especially if you're watching your intake or just want to feel lighter after lunch. Plus, the crunch is so satisfying and keeps your lunch light, energizing, and never boring. You'll feel full and refreshed, not weighed down. For fillings, go with lean protein, grilled chicken, ground turkey, baked fish, or seasoned chickpeas. These options are not only delicious, but also help keep you full for hours. Add healthy fats like creamy avocado, and pile on colorful veggies. Think juicy tomatoes, crisp red onion, and sweet bell peppers. The more color, the more nutrients you get. For sauce, skip the sugary store-bought ones. Try Greek yogurt tzatziki, a spicy sriracha yogurt blend, or just a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lime for a zesty kick. Let's build one together. Start with butter lettuce, add seasoned turkey, creamy avocado, juicy tomatoes, sharp red onion, and finish with a spicy yogurt drizzle. It's a flavor explosion. Fold it up like a taco, crunchy, flavorful, and healthy in just a few minutes. It's quick, easy, and perfect for busy days. The best part? You can change up the flavors every day. Try Thai with peanut sauce, Mediterranean with hummus, or invent your own combinations. The possibilities are endless. Ditch the tortilla, grab lettuce, and enjoy a meal that's fresh, filling, and fun. It's a small change that can lead to big results for your health and energy. Healthy eating can be a culinary adventure. Experiment with new fillings, sauces, and veggies to keep things exciting. Next time you pack lunch, make it a lettuce wrap and feel the difference in your energy and mood throughout the day. You'll save calories, boost nutrients, and actually look forward to your lunch. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your body. Give it a try and let your taste buds be the judge. You might be surprised at how much you love it. Eating well doesn't have to be boring or repetitive. There are so many ways to keep your meals fresh and exciting. Make your lunchbox a highlight of your day, something you look forward to, not just another meal. Ready for the next healthy swap? Let's keep this momentum going and discover even more delicious ways to upgrade your meals. Mid-afternoon snack cravings? You know the feeling. Energy dips, focus fades, and suddenly you're searching for something to munch on. Most of us reach for chips, crunchy, salty, and oh so tempting. But let's be honest, they're just empty calories that don't really satisfy for long. Let's upgrade our snack game. Swap those chips for vibrant veggie sticks and fresh fruit. It's a simple change that can make a big difference. Think cucumber spears, bell pepper strips, celery, and carrots. Crunchy, colorful, and packed with fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Pair your veggies with creamy hummus or a Greek yogurt dip for a boost of protein and healthy fats. These dips add flavor and make snacking more fun. For sweet cravings, grab an apple, a handful of berries, or some juicy melon. Nature's candy, bursting with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Prepping veggies and fruit ahead of time makes healthy snacking just as convenient as grabbing a bag of chips. A little effort goes a long way. Store your snacks in grab-and-go containers for easy access, whether you're at home, work, or on the move. Dips make it fun. Try hummus, guacamole, or a simple yogurt dill dip. Experiment with flavors to keep things interesting. Compare for a second. A small bag of chips is about 160 calories, but offers little nutrition and leaves you hungry soon after. The same calories in veggies and hummus fill you up, fuel your body, and provide lasting energy thanks to fiber and protein. Plus, fruits and veggies hydrate you, something chips can't do. Staying hydrated helps you feel alert and refreshed. Healthy snacks keep your energy steady, your cravings in check, and your mood lifted throughout the day. Next time you shop, skip the chip aisle and load up on fresh produce. Your future self will thank you for making the healthy choice. Prep, pair, and enjoy the crunch. Make it a habit, and soon you'll crave the freshness. You'll love the flavors, the satisfying crunch, and the natural energy boost. Make snack time a win for your health and inspire those around you to join in. Try it this week. Track how you feel and notice the difference in your energy and mood. Healthy swaps can be delicious, satisfying, and even fun to share with friends or family. Your body and your taste buds will thank you for making the switch. Ready for more easy lunch upgrades? There are plenty of simple swaps to explore. Let's move on to the next game changer. Healthy snacking made simple. You've got this. One smart swap at a time. Let's keep the momentum going and make every snack count. On to the next swap, your healthy journey continues. Tired of boring sandwiches? Day after day, the same old lunch can leave you feeling uninspired and sluggish. Try a mason jar quinoa salad, your new lunch hero. It's vibrant, fresh, and packed with flavor, making every bite something to look forward to. Quinoa is a complete protein, packed with fiber and nutrients, and keeps your energy steady all afternoon. Unlike white rice or pasta, it won't weigh you down or cause an energy crash. The secret is in the layers. Start with your favorite dressing on the bottom, then add hard veggies like carrots, chickpeas, or tomatoes. This keeps everything crisp and prevents sogginess. Next, add a layer of fluffy quinoa to soak up flavor and keep things hearty. Quinoa acts as the perfect base, absorbing the dressing and tying all the ingredients together. Then, pile on protein: grilled chicken, eggs, feta, or black beans. Choose your favorite or mix it up for variety throughout the week. Top with leafy greens like spinach or arugula to keep them crisp. The greens stay fresh and crunchy until you're ready to eat. Seal the jar and you've got a fresh, balanced meal ready to go. No more last-minute lunch stress or unhealthy takeout. At lunch, just shake and pour into a bowl. Perfectly dressed, never soggy. It's quick, easy, and always delicious. Mix up the flavors. Try Southwestern with black beans and corn, or Greek with cucumbers and feta. The possibilities are endless, so you'll never get bored. It's customizable, great for meal prep, and reduces food waste. Use up leftover veggies and proteins to create new combinations every time. Make 5 jars on Sunday and you're set for the week. Just grab and go. Healthy eating has never been so convenient. Healthy, delicious, and totally portable. Take it to work, school, or even on a picnic. Your coworkers will be jealous. Watch as your colorful, layered salad turns heads in the break room. Lunch doesn't have to be boring or heavy. Ditch the greasy fast food and enjoy something that fuels your body and mind. Mason jar salads make healthy eating easy and fun. Get creative with your family or friends and prep together. Try it and see how much better you feel. You'll notice the difference in your energy and mood. Eating well is all about smart prep. A little planning goes a long way toward a healthier lifestyle. Ready for a healthy pizza twist? There's a mason jar salad for every craving. Let's dive into the next swap. Lunch Revolution Unlocked. Your midday meal will never be the same. Love pizza but hate the calories? Meet cauliflower crust pizza, your new guilt-free favorite. Traditional pizza crust is loaded with refined carbs and calories. Cauliflower crust slashes carbs and adds fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Make it by pulsing cauliflower, cooking, squeezing out water, then mixing with egg, cheese, and seasonings. Press onto a baking sheet, bake until golden, and you've got a sturdy, delicious base. Top with no sugar marinara, lots of veggies, lean protein, and a sprinkle of mozzarella. The result? Cheesy, satisfying pizza that's light and nourishing. It's not deep dish, but it's crisp, flavorful, and totally hits the spot. Make mini pizzas for a fun, customizable dinner with friends or family. You get all the pizza joy minus the heavy, bloated feeling. Healthy eating doesn't mean giving up your favorites. Just get creative. Try cauliflower crust pizza and see for yourself. It's a game changer for pizza night. You'll be amazed at how good healthy can taste. Enjoy your favorite foods smarter. Ready for one last easy swap? Let's talk about what you're drinking. Pizza night redefined. Healthy can be delicious. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Next up, ditching sugary drinks. Let's go. Drinks can sneak in hundreds of hidden calories: soda, sweet tea, fancy coffee drinks. These spike your blood sugar, then leave you tired and craving more sugar. The fix? Swap sugary drinks for infused water or green tea. Infused water is easy. Just add fruit, veggies, or herbs to water for a refreshing, sugar-free drink. Try lemon cucumber, strawberry mint, or orange blueberry, endless combos. It makes hydration fun and flavorful, with zero guilt. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and can gently boost your metabolism. It gives you calm, focused energy, no jitters, no crash. Enjoy it hot or iced, unsweetened, or with a squeeze of lemon. Cutting sugary drinks is one of the easiest ways to lose weight and feel better fast. You'll notice more energy, clearer skin, and fewer cravings. Check your cup. If it's soda or juice, try swapping for infused water or green tea. Your body will thank you. Small change, big impact. Healthy drinks, happy you. Try it for a week and see the difference. Hydration never tasted so good. Ready to wrap up your healthy lunchbox journey? Let's finish strong. On to your delicious new beginning. My personal game changer? Cauliflower crust pizza. It's now my go-to treat that doesn't derail my progress. These swaps are simple, quick, and adaptable to any taste or diet. The more you use them, the more you'll crave the healthier versions. Whether it's a lettuce wrap, a mason jar salad, or infused water, you're retraining your body to love nourishing foods. Every small, positive choice builds momentum and lasting change. Try one swap this week and tell me in the comments which you loved most. Thanks for watching. Be kind to yourself, have fun in the kitchen, and see you next time.